Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll let you know how to delete your Janitor AI account. So let's get right into it. First of all, log into your Janitor AI account over here. Enter your credentials, then head over to your account settings and look for delete account or deactivate account option. If you find the option, click it and confirm and your account will be deleted. In case if you don't find it, keep watching, we have a workaround and I'll tell you how to do a second time. So, since some users don't see a delete option, you may need to contact support. Click on Help Center or Contact Us. Submit a request with Delete My Account as the subject. Now, wait for the response. This may take a few days. Now, the alternate method is if you can't do method number one and method number two, the third method will be to send an email with your account details and request permanent account deletion. Check your inbox for confirmation. So that's how you delete your Janitor AI account, either through settings, if available, or by reaching out to support simply. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.